Hello everyone, I'm Sylvain Marier from Schneider Electric. In this video, I'm going to introduce the new building energy modeling feature available in Data Hub. Let's assume that I'm the facility manager for an office building and that my building is already in the Data Hub. I would like to implement some energy conservation measures on this building, and I would like to track the associated savings following the IPMVP framework. For this, I have connected an energy consumption meter in this main meter source. It displays as a single variable named main and contains the cumulated energy measurements per day in kilowatt hour. I also have another source named outdoor temperature, where I have connected three variables: the minimum, average, and maximum daily temperature of the outside air around the building. Let's create our first building energy model. For this, I select the main meter source and click on Analytics here, a little plus. I select Building Energy Modeling. To create a model, I have to select the energy variable to model. I select my main meter. Then I have to select between mean and max, average, or mean, max, and average temperature mode, depending on whatever I have as variables available. In our case, I have both mean, max, and average, and I fill the variable names with the form below. This is for the minimum. Let's click on this button to copy the information. This is for the maximum. And finally, this is for the average. Then I have to select a reference period. Models are usually better created on a full year to capture all weather situations. Let's select the 2019 year as a reference period. I can confirm that I have data on all this period. Let's create my model. Creating a model takes some time. While we are waiting, we can see here on the screen the list of variables that will be created when the model is created. The first variable is the prediction, so it's the energy that the building would have consumed in any weather situation. The second one is the residual. It can be used to compute savings, as it's the difference between the actual energy consumption and the energy consumption from the model. Now our model has been created, and I can first check that its performance is good enough, both in terms of average error, kilowatt hour or percentage, and also visually. I see here that the model is made of several day groups, and I can select one of the day groups to learn more about it. Here we see some heating slope, a change point, and a mid-season constant for the closed days, Saturday and Sunday. Let's save our model. Now that my model has been created, I will be able to go to the dashboard to create some views. I first would like to create a plot of the time series containing the actual energy consumption and the prediction from the model. For this, I click on Add Tile here. Let's define a name for our plot. This will be a time series containing the last 38 months, in my case, raw data. And let's first select the variable for the actual energy consumption. Then I can copy this data source and select the prediction. Let's change the color and save. We can see that for the reference period between January 2019 and January 2020, I see my prediction from my model as well as the actual energy consumption. This prediction will also be available for the new data when the model is applied. Now the model has been successfully applied on all the data since January 2020 until 2021. Let's see if we can compute the savings and display them. For this, I will create a new chart. It's also a time series, and it's also the same period as the previous one. In row mode, resume. And for this, I will select the energy prediction residuals here from the model. Let's display them as orange. Here. So here we see the difference between the actual energy and the consumed and the predicted energy. So for example, in this COVID lockdown period that we see here, the actual energy consumption, green, was much lower than the prediction in blue. That's why the savings are positive. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this introduction video. Other videos will follow about this feature. Stay tuned. If you have any question, feel free to post a comment here or to contact the support. Bye-bye.